When it comes to choosing a central air conditioner for your cold climate home, there are several key factors to consider. First, think about your home's size, insulation, and window orientation, as these will impact your heating and cooling needs. Additionally, consider your local climate and temperature fluctuations, as these will affect the performance of your air conditioner. It's also essential to ensure that your contractor performs a manual J calculation to determine the correct size for your home. With these factors in mind, we recommend the Carrier Infinity 2126 VNA1, Tranex V20i True Comfort, and Lennox SL25 KCV. Each of these models offers unique strengths and limitations, so it's essential to consult with a qualified contractor to determine the best fit for your situation. Don't forget to verify the exact model, RE match, current specs, warranty registration, availability, and written installed quote before making a decision.